God has remembered Bulawayo. God has remembered Harare. God has remembered Zimbabwe. Yeah, even if you feel like we have not been remembered as a nation, just to confess it. In a country like this one, leadership is decided by very few powerful people. So it's one of the easiest countries for leadership to change, because then through prayer now you just pray for a few individuals. Compared to a country like America where you have to pray for millions of people. The reason why I had to bring this up, we must pray so that people don't die unnecessarily. Hallelujah. The most effective people in a kingdom are intercessors. In a democracy, the most effective people are people who vote. When I'm looking at the politics of this country, spiritually, I'm not a political analyst. Spiritually, when I'm looking at it in the vision, I'm more concerned about 2025. When the prophetic 1 week is lapsing, that's what I'm more concerned about. Hallelujah. I'm more concerned about the events that will occur towards the end of the prophetic 1 week.